Hey guys! Like countless others, I fell in love with Baby Yoda. So let's make a cheap and easy Baby Yoda keychain. Alright, first of all you'll need a template. You can use mine if you want, it's linked in the description below. As a base I'm using some very strong cardboard. Mine comes from a box of chocolates. Trace the template onto the cardboard and cut it out. Then cut away these green areas of the template so you end up with this. We're gonna use that template on thin cardboard like from a cereal box. Next, cut the template like this and make another piece. And the last part looks like this. Now you should have 4 different pieces. I'm using a glue stick to put them all together. The next step is a bit hard to say. We need to make a hole in the forehead of the baby. And now you can paint it all black using acrylic paint. This will also make the piece stronger. Don't use any water though. Once that is dry, you can give it some color. Use a dry brush and a little paint to build up the color to your liking. Add some cute black eyes with more acrylic paint and some white dots. And lastly, attach a jump ring or some string and put it on a key ring. If you use the right cardboard, this pendant will be surprisingly durable. Thanks for watching, and here are some more nerdy crafts that you might like. See you!